Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I received my mystery box from Hank and Henry. Do you want to see what is inside? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so my Hank and Henry mystery box just arrived, and I do see it is a signed box. And if you guys don't know, Hank and Henry did 3 different mystery boxes again, and I wasn't going to get them, to be honest, but then I looked again, and supposedly it was supposed to have in here like exclusive items that had never been launched. They're not available to purchase. So I thought, okay, cool, because it seems like the other ones I kept getting repeated items, stuff I already had, the same products in each box. So I thought, okay, if these are all new products that aren't even launched yet, then I can't get duplicates. So I'm hoping, that's what I'm hoping for. So I went ahead and purchased this one. They had 3 different sizes. They had, the first size was $37, which would have 1 new palette, 3 new mystery items, 1 silicone wristband, and 1 new pop socket. Box number 2 was valued at $67. They have the In Living Color palette, which I already just purchased from them, so I definitely didn't want that one. 1 My Alter Ego eye kit, which I have 2 of those already from the first subscription boxes they were doing. 5 currently available items, didn't want to do that one. 1 silicone wristband and 1 new pop socket. So I chose box number 3, which was $77. There's to be 2 mystery palettes from his brand new line that's not even launched yet. 6 new mystery items, 1 bonus item, 1 silicone wristband, and 1 new pop socket. So let's go ahead and dive in here. Let's see what we get. All right. Again, it is a signed box, so that's cool. And when you open it up, it has some squigglies, and there is a packing slip in there. All right. So if I remove some of them, what you see inside looks like that. So item number 1 is this bracelet right here, and it is a silicone bracelet, and it says, "The world is better with you in it." And it has the owl, his logo. So if you can see that, and then there's the little owl. The world is better with you in it. And I know a certain special person that definitely probably could use this to remind herself. So I'm gonna give this to somebody that I know. So that I already know who's gonna go to that. Then next is the pop socket, and it is very cute for Valentine's Day with the little hearts around it with the little logo inside. I don't use pop sockets because I use a wireless charger, so if I have a pop socket, my phone won't charge. So now we have some stickers. So here is 1 sticker. 2, I love those colors. This one I'm gonna keep. And then there is 3. And then we have this sponge right here. So this is his new beauty sponge, and this says Contour Multiple Use Sponge, and it has this little unique design. And there's actually 2 little ones. I don't know what these little guys are for, but these are so freaking cute. And this says Contour Multiple Use Sponge as well. This one doesn't have the logo like embedded in it like this one does, but they look the same, just like the baby. So is the mama, and here's the babies. I don't know why there's 2, but these are the 3 sponges that we received. Now, here is 4 different lip products right on top. So let's go ahead and run through these. So now this one here says Trash Panda. I think it says Trash Panda. I think that's what that says. Let's see what the color is. Yeah, it says Trash Panda. So it looks kind of like a gray purple color. And I really like his packaging though, because like the very first time I got one of these was in a BoxyCharm, and everybody was raving over them, and I ended up putting it in a giveaway because at the time I really wasn't doing anything with lip products. I still really am not doing much with my lips, as you can tell, but I am starting to collect them, I guess you would say. But that looks like a really pretty color. Let me swatch this for you guys. Ooh, that looks really dark. Okay, that looks like a dark purple grayish color. Let's see what that looks like on, shall we? probably really dark. So it doesn't really go with my eye look today, but I actually like the color. So, all right, there's number one I'm glad to have, and that is Trash Panda. So different. All right, you guys, so this looks like it says Pookie. Oh, Pookie. And that looks like a brownish color. So that one I'm gonna just set aside because I know I won't wear it. So I don't even wanna swatch it or anything. I'll put that right back in the box. Then we have, I'm not quite sure what that says. Let me see what it says on the bottom. Ethereal, I'm not sure how you say that. But this looks like it's like an orangish, this looks like an orangish color because by looking at that. So this I know I won't use because I don't really like orange or reds on me. So I will set that aside. And then this one says SUCIA. This looks really dark. So this one's probably gonna be set aside as well. Oh, holy moly. That looks like a dark brown. That will definitely probably look good with somebody with a darker skin tone than me. I just think that this would be too dark for my skin. So these three I'm gonna go ahead and just set aside and put in future giveaways. And then in here would be the two different palettes. And yay, they're two of his new ones. So I'm super excited about that. So let me go ahead and get these opened and show you. So here's the outside. Is that Sweet Tool or Toof? On the back it says Toof, T-O-O-F. So we have a Toof. These are vegan. It has a little bunny on it. So it is cute packaging. I give them that. This is very cute packaging. And then when you open it up, there is a mirror on the top and here are the colors. So a very light palette, looks like kind of like pastels. The only dark one in here is this blue and it doesn't even seem like it's even that dark of a color. But let me see these two here. Let me grab a few of these colors here. Oh, and that one blue is not even that blue. So there's just like 4 colors that I just grabbed quickly. And like I said, it looks like pastel colors. So this is like a palette that I'm gonna need to use with another one because nothing is dark enough for how I do my looks. But I think that is very cute and I'm glad to have one of his new palettes. So then next we have is this one that says Spring Fling. That's very cute packaging. Same as that. And then when you open this up, these are almost the same kind of colors. Huh. Those look similar to, that's weird, they would be so similar in colors. I mean, yeah, this one has an orange and like a brighter blue, but those look very similar. Very similar. So let me just take this blue, oh, this hot pink, this blue, and let's say this green. So here are 4 colors from that palette. Whoa. Still, there's not even like a really dark color. And that was the thing with the In Living Color palette when I did the try on. My thing was to you that I wish one of the colors were not there and they had one darker color in there to do in the transition or to smoke out the corner or something like that, and there wasn't there. And now I have 2 more new palettes that I was so excited about and they both have the same issue. So I just really wish like one color would have been a little bit darker, but those are what I have. And that is everything that came in here, you guys. That is literally, yeah, that is everything. So we're supposed to have 2 mystery palettes. So these would be the 2 mystery palettes right here. And then 6 mystery items. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's just call this 6. And then 1 bonus item, 1 silicone bracelet, and 1 pop socket. And then the stickers, at least the stickers are not considered an item. So that's amazing. So that is everything that came in this box, you guys. I know I'm not going to use this. I do have one of his other sponges and it's signed, and I have it just sitting in my arsenal looking pretty because it's signed and I don't feel like opening it. So I know I'm not going to use these. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these two in a giveaway. This one, since there's two, I'm gonna keep this only because this is just adorable. I think this is just so cute being so small. I don't know what you do with it, but I think it's adorable. So I'm gonna keep this guy, and I'm gonna keep the two palettes because I've already touched them anyways. This one liquid lip I'm keeping, and that's the Trash Panda. And so these three right here and these two are gonna go in a giveaway. And if you guys are interested in these items, I'll just give these away now. So there'll be 2 sponges, 3 liquid lips, and I'll throw in the pop socket and 2 of the stickers. The 2 pink stickers, because I'll keep the blue one and I'll stick it in my journal or something, or my book, something like that. So if you guys are interested in these products right here, I will go ahead and just stick these in the giveaway right now, and I'll even put them back in this signed box, and I'll add in a few other little goodies so you have like some little things in there as well. But I'm gonna put them back in this box, so you get the signed box, you get these 2 sponges, you get the 3 different liquid lipsticks, the pop socket, and the 2 different stickers. So if you're interested in these items right here, and again, I'll put it in the signed box for you as well, then this is how you would enter. Number 1, you must be subscribed to my channel. That's why I do my giveaways, is to show my appreciation to those who are actively and supporting me here positively on my channel. And I show my appreciation by giving back to you guys. So number 1, you must be subscribed to my channel. You must give this video a big thumbs up and leave 1 comment down below. In that comment, I want you to go ahead and put in enter me with whatever else you want. Only 1 entry per username with the words enter me in that comment. You can leave as many comments as you would like, but only 1 per username with the words enter me entering in, because I want to make it fair for everybody who does want these particular items, because I do use a random comment picker that will cipher through the comments that say enter me, and as long as you are subscribed to me, then I will comment back to your comment in 3 weeks when this is over, and I will say congratulations, you are the winner to this giveaway. You now have 48 hours to respond back to me. If you don't respond back within the 48 hours, a new winner will be chosen. The new winner will now have 48 hours, and so on and so forth until I get a confirmed win. You must also have a United States address for me to ship these to. I don't care where you live, as long as I'm shipping them to United States address. And you must be over the age of 18 or have a legal parent or guardian, somebody over the age of 18, to enter in for you. That is it. Simple, sweet, to the point. I have all the official rules, and the end date will be down in the description box below. And when this does end in 3 weeks, I will have the random comment picker again choose, and then I will put in the description box, congratulations to so-and-so, has 48 hours to confirm. Once they have confirmed, I will put confirmed. So if it still says has 48 hours to confirm, then hang tight. I may need to draw a new winner. The new winner might be you. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this. Let me know, what did you think of this mystery box and the items that I received? Let me know. Your positive interaction, it means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Crafty crew out. Out. What in the world? Bye.